lot better than other people because you have this car now?
Because of the car.
I drink a ton of water per day, so I start with that as soon as I wake up, and I lounge around and typically watch a David Dobrik vlog to start my morning off laughing. Off to the bathroom, and then I brush my teeth. While rinsing, I cleanse my face with Cetaphil. My bed every morning. It's just something I've always done. It makes me feel productive, clean, and forces me to stay up. Even if I lay back on my bed throughout the day, knowing that it's fully made and that I'm not a slug keeps me just happier. Since I've been posting daily for Vlogoween, usually before or during breakfast I upload a video that I'm posting that day. Then I check it off in my October bullet journal and get right on to eating. Since I fall asleep with my hair damp from my shower the night before, after breakfast, I fix up my hair. My face never fails to get warm after I do my hair, so rosewater spray it is. I also use a little bit of hair oil to keep my hair shiny and less frizzy, considering I don't wash it every day. Or every other day. I then get dressed and put on deodorant, and that's my morning routine. You've already seen my makeup routine, which is what I typically do next. Link in description if you haven't, and then I'll prepare to film some more videos and get into the afternoon. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video. Bye!